Hey guys, I'm back with another YouTube vlog. Like you guys always wait for me to make another YouTube vlog. So I decided to make another YouTube vlog. And today we have the cat that is probably going to get scared off while I'm filming, but that's okay. And right now, it's not Friday, but I will post on Friday another Friday Funday video. So stay tuned for that one because you guys will not want to miss it. And that is my cat being weird if you want to see him right now, okay? There's Rebel. Why filming you? There's Rebel. Did you see that? You like ran. And I don't know what I should call this vlog, but it is gonna be juicy drama. Actually, I don't think it's gonna be drama because it's really funny. If you subscribe to my channel, then you know my cat Rebel. And if you follow me on my Musical.ly, and the Rebel is right there. She is at the cage, and maybe we can go see the bunnies. I really want to see the bunnies. And so the bunny is gonna be so cute. I love bunnies. So let's go buy one Rebel. And make sure you be careful. So right now, they are looking at each other, and right now I'm under a pine tree, and I hope it doesn't fall. So, yeah. And the rabbit and the bunny, the rabbit and the cat is together. I'm gonna film that. Let's go. Hey, bunny. Oh, I'm not gonna scare you. You wanna get filmed? Here, let's film the bunny. The bunny is in the back. You want close up? You get close up. And the bunny's in the way. And I hope I filmed that because it was really funny. So, yeah, right now you guys are probably wondering why I'm outside. And that's a weird question for me because I don't know why I'm outside, but I am outside. So, while the rabbits and the bunnies are playing together, I'm just going to talk to you guys about some stuff I haven't told you in a while because I'm so sad if I'm going to do it. So, yeah. It is Wednesday, and it's Wednesday today. So I'm going to tell you what today is. And I already told you it's Wednesday, but I'm going to tell you what the full day is. So it's November 16th, and it's Wednesday. So it's 11/16/16, and it is Wednesday. And so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna post this vlog. Probably I'm gonna post this vlog because it's a really interesting vlog of me posting. So I have bags of trash. See, I got a bag of trash. So we're just gonna put it right there. And now I'm gonna talk to you guys about something. So today I'm gonna talk to you guys about the reason why I haven't made a room tour yet. This is the reason why I haven't made a room tour yet. How? Look at this. And it looks like it's a... Mommy.
Where's he at?
I'm making a video. Okay, so the cat, I'm gonna give the cat, and it's okay if he drops. They don't care. Rebel! Food! shell cut, so she doesn't really care. This is harsh. So, okay, I'm sorry. I have to drop you guys for a minute. I gotta pick up the food. Okay, so now I just got to Rebel. Don't worry. I got food. Hey. Look, I got food. Right there. Right there. Right there. Make sure you don't eat a rock. Go, Rebel. Yeah. Now I can go over there and tell you guys what I want to talk about. Oh, that's really cat. While he is eating, I am going to come over here because I really want to. So now I'm going to tell you some stuff. I haven't been telling you the reason why I haven't made a room tour. Because I haven't really cleaned my room and I forgot to. So maybe someday in the future I will. I do not even know. Do you like these hoop Do you like these hoop earrings? I think they're very catchy. They're very cute. They're very little. But not about the hoops right now. About why I haven't made a room tour. That is what we're talking about. We're not talking about hoops and hoop earrings. It's because I haven't posted them in a while. So that's the reason why. And if you guys are mad at me, then I'm very sorry. But I'm gonna try to get back to making that. And sorry, Rebel. Oh, Rebel. There's Rebel.
Mel,
I'm making a video.
don't put me in it. I want to be in it.
So, the reason why I haven't made a room tour. The reason why I'm making,
I'm going this way.
the reason why I haven't made a room tour is because, the reason why I haven't made, a video was
I can't hear you.
a room tour video because I was not gonna make one yet. And I forgot. So I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow or something. And stay tuned for Friday fun videos. Bye!